Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful eBay feature: how to check the bid history on an item. Whether you're a seasoned seller, a curious buyer, or just starting out in 2025, understanding bid history can help you make smarter decisions and avoid potential scams. This guide is straightforward and updated for the latest eBay interface, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. If you aren't, head over to ebay.com and sign in with your username and password. Once you're in, start by searching for the item you're interested in. Type the item name or number into the search bar at the top of the page and hit enter. Now, when you find the listing, click on the item's title to open its detailed page. Scroll down a bit until you see the bidding or history section. eBay might label it differently, but it's usually near the seller's info or under the item description. Look for a link that says View Bid History or something similar. Click on that, and eBay will display a list of all the bids placed on this item. You'll see details like the bidder's usernames, the amount they bid, and the time of their bid. This is great for checking if bidding is active or if there are any suspicious patterns, like shill bidding. Pro tip: if the item is an auction, you might need to be a registered bidder to see full details, so ensure your account is set up properly. If you're on mobile, the process is almost the same. Open the eBay app, log in, search for the item, and tap on the listing. Then, swipe down to find the bid history option. It's often in a menu or under More Details. Remember, eBay's interface can change, so if you don't see it right away, double-check for any updates or use the help section. This feature is a game changer for transparency in online auctions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more eBay tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video. Happy bidding!